Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open an Audi Q5 key fob. Press the Release tab and slide out the mechanical key, then insert a small flathead into the seam and twist gently to separate the two halves. Remove the battery cover carefully and note battery orientation for replacement. Keep small parts in a tray to avoid loss and avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the casing. To remove the battery, first note the model and orientation stamped inside the fob and on the old cell. Use a plastic pry tool or fingernail to lift the battery straight out to avoid bending contacts. Inspect the contacts for dirt and clean with a cotton swab if needed. Insert the new battery with the same orientation, press it into place, and test the fob before snapping the housing back together. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice control to any room, which is handy while you work on small car tasks or follow guides hands-free. It's compact, simple, and sounds great for a little background music. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When reassembling, align the housing halves and press firmly until both clips click and the seam is flush. Reinsert the mechanical key and test lock, unlock, and trunk functions from a short distance to confirm success. If signals seem weak, check battery seating and clean contacts with isopropyl if available. If problems persist, consult a dealer or locksmith, but most issues resolve with correct battery replacement and secure reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.